Okay, hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to get scratches out of your hardwood floors. Now, whether it's a engineered floor, hardwood floor such as this, or a solid wood floor, your surfaces are pretty much the same. So, if you have those instances where somebody has moved back your chair and you get a scratch, then there are some different things that you can do without having to refinish the entire floor to take care of that. Now, first and foremost, most of your hardwood floor products come with some type of a cleaner and a cleaner buffing agent such as this. So in most cases, if it's a really light scratch, you can just use this with a soft white cloth, and in most cases you can either spray it directly on or spray it on the cloth, and you simply rub, and this will actually clean and buff the area to get some of those scratches out. Now, there are some other aftermarket value products that you can put on here that are specifically formulated to hide surface scratches. Now, if you get some deeper scratches, what you may need to do is actually get a urethane or a shellac, and actually shellac works very well. And what you do is you take some shellac, you'd cut it with a little bit of denatured alcohol to make a real thin mixture, and then you can just take a artist paintbrush and paint it into the crack. And then you let that dry, and then you'll come back and repeat. Now, after you've repeated putting the shellac in there, if you can still see the scratch, then you'll come back and do it a third time. Now, if you have a really deep gouge or something like that, you can also use a product like beeswax. You'd melt the beeswax into it, sand it lightly and buff it, and use a buffing compound, again the cleaning compound. And those are some typical ways that you can take care of some scratches in hardwood floors. So I'm Tim Gibson with some tips on taking care of scratches in hardwood floor.